Hi, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about traversing through binary trees. Now, in a previous video, I already talked about what binary trees are. So if you don't know what they are, don't forget to check out that video before you come over to this one. Great! Now that you know what binary trees are, let's dive in. First, let's learn some quick terminology that I might not have covered previously. The root node is the node at the very top of the binary tree. So in this case is 25. Nodes are the rest of all the values that you have. So 4, 7, 1, 6. These are all nodes. Children are what are attached to a node. So if 25 is like that node I have, its children are 4 and 7 because it's what's attached. A leaf is the nodes at the very end that don't have anything attached to it. So we call 9 and 2 children, we call 6 and 1 leaves, 0 is a leaf. So these are all leaves because they don't have anything attached to it. A path is how to get from the top node to a specific node. So if I go from 25, 4, 0, that's a path. You can also call these white lines paths to get from 25 to 7. A level is every kind of level in our tree. So if we have like the grandparents here, then this row is the parents and these are the kids. So here you can see that 25 is on its own level, 4 and 7 is on the next level, 3, 0, 1, and 6 are on the third level, and 9 and 2 are on the fourth level. So those are just some basic terminology. Now, when we want to traverse through binary trees, there are actually 3 different methods: pre-order, in order, and post-order. So I'm going to kind of go through them one at a time. So pre-order is when you start with the top node and you go towards the left. You write the left side first, and then you go down the right tree. So you always go to the left tree of a node and then you go to the right tree. And you're going to do this recursively. So in this one, what we're going to do is we're going to start at 25. Then we're going to go to the left one, which is 4. And then before we go to 0, we're going to go to 3, right? Because that is left node. So 25, 4, 3. And then we're going to go to 9. And then we're going to go back up to 3. We won't write down 3, but we'll go to its right node. And so we're going to have 25, 4, 3, 9, 2. Because we're going from the top, we're going all the way down to the right, and then we're going to kind of go backwards, and then go to every right node. So here we have 25, 4, 3, 9, 2. Then we go up here and we finish its right tree, which is 0. Then we go back to 25 and finish its right tree. So that's 7, 1, and then go to the right, so that's 6. So that was, let me just quickly go over it again. 25, 4, 3, 9, 2, 0, 7, 1, 6. In order is kind of like you're going up a diagonal, because what you're going to do is you're going to go to the left first, then you're going to print out the node, and then you're going to go to the right. So in this one, you're going to go to the left first, so we're going to do this left tree, then we're going to do 25, and then we'll do the right tree. Here first, in this one, you have to do the left side first, so we're going to go all the way down to this very left leaf before we're able to actually print any other ones. So you get 9, then we actually do that parent node, so that's 3, and then we go to the right. So the left, the actual node, right. So 9, 3, 2. Then here we have to do 4, because we just finished the left tree of 4. So we go 9, 3, 2, 4, and then go to the right, so that's 0. Then we just finished the right, or the left, side of the 25. So now we can state 25. So let me go over this again. We have 9, 3, 2, 4, 0, 25. And then we can go through that right tree. So that's 1, remember, because you have to go to the left. 1, 7, 6. Hopefully that made sense. Now, post order is when you you say the left and right first, and then you say 25. So if we had this node here, we're going to say that left side of the tree, then we're going to say the right side of the tree, and then we're going to say that middle node. So it's kind of like the opposite of in order. Well, kind of. Except for you switch the location of these two. So we're going to say 9, 2, 3. So we say the left, right, middle. So 9, 2, 3. Here we have to say the right before we can say 4, right? So we say 9, 2, 3, 0, 4. In order to say 25, we have to say this side of the tree. So in this side of the tree, it's going to be 1, 6, 7. And then we'll be able to say 25. So we're going to have 9, 2, 3, 0, 4, 1, 6, 7, 25. So let's do some examples for practice. This first one is we have this tree over here, and we want to say the pre-order, in order, and post-order. So remember, in pre-order, we start at the beginning. We say that node, then we say the left node and the right node. So we have 3. We're going to go to the left, so that's 5. But we also want to say the 5's left, so that's 3, 5, 1. And then we can say the right side. So that's 2, 4, 6. In order, we have we start with the top, and we have to say the left side, the middle, and then the right side. So here you're going to say the left side, which is 1, 5, 3, and then you can say the right side, so that's 4, 2, 6. And then post order, you say the left side, you say the right side, and then you can say the node. So here we can say 1, there's no right node, so we say 5. Here you have to say the left node, 4, 6, 2, and then you can say the final node, 3. So I'm going to let you do the next 2 examples on your own, and then I'll put the answers on the screen, just so that this video doesn't get too long. So this is the second example. Please pause the video and try this yourself. Great! Now, these are the answers for the 3 different orientations. And if it's a little bit confusing on how to do this, I feel like after we do the coding of how to arrange it, it's going to make a lot more sense. When I coded the 3 traversals, it made a lot more sense to me, so I hope it does the same for you. Great, now we're in Eclipse. In Eclipse, you're going to be coding the 3 types of traversals. And don't forget to make your own tree node class if you want to actually run this. In the pre-order, remember what we do. We're going to say that the top node, then we're going to say the left node, then we're going to say the right node. And in order to print all of them, we're going to do this in a recursive manner. So if node is not equal to null, because we don't want it to run if it's null, right? We're going to system.out.println the node. So first, remember, so you print the node first, then you go to the left. So we're going to do pre-order node.left. And then you go to the right. So that's pre-order node.right. So just as a reminder, so you go from top, then you say the left, then you say the right. And the reason we did if node not equal to null is just because we're doing recursive and we want to have that break case when that node's null. In order, all you have to do is copy your code for pre-order, and that you can actually paste in both because it's basically the same thing. In pre-order, you say the node, then you go left and right. In order, you say the left, you say the node, then you go to the right. So all you have to do is rearrange the order that you say these, but then obviously you want to change from pre-order to in order. And then in post order, remember we do the left, the right, then the node. So all we have to do is take this line over here and put it at the very end. And obviously you want to change this to post order. And so I hope that cleared it up for you how to traverse to a binary tree, and see you soon.